Looking for something to do this weekend? Broward County Parks has you covered. Here are some activities to keep you entertained. Sea turtle nesting season begins in March in Broward County. Come learn about these amazing creatures and how you can protect them at Ann Cole Nature Center's Sea Turtle Awareness event on Saturday. Join a naturalist for an off-trail hike to learn about the exciting history of Long Key, including how the key was formed, the saber-toothed cats that lived there, and the bloody Seminole Wars of the 1800s. Celebrate the beauty of spring at the Festival of Colors held at Central Broward Park on Saturday. This free event is designed to preserve Indo-Caribbean culture, rejoice in the coming of spring, and celebrate the unity in diversity. 3 of our water parks are now open for spring break. Come cool off with the whole family at Castaway Island at TY Park, Splash Adventure at Quiet Waters Park, or Paradise Cove at C.B. Smith Park. On Sunday, bring your favorite acoustic instrument for a music jam at Secret Woods Nature Center. It's Florida Bicycle Month. Ride around Tradewinds Park and Stables to find clues and win prizes at the Bicycle Scavenger Hunt on Sunday. Helmets required for ages 17 and under. Enjoy your weekend. If you have fun, share a pic with us under the hashtag Broward Parks on all social media sites. See you next weekend.